The brave little elephant and the river rescue. Once upon a time, in the wild savannah, there was a young elephant named Ella. Though Ella was the smallest in her herd, she had the biggest heart and the bravest spirit. She loved to explore, play, and help others, even when the older elephants told her she was too little to do big things. One hot afternoon, Ella was playing by the riverbank, splashing in the cool water with her friends. Nearby, the monkeys swung from the trees, and the zebras grazed in the tall grass. Everything was peaceful until a loud crack echoed through the air. Ella looked up and saw a tree branch snap off, tumbling right into the river. But that wasn't the worst of it. Stuck on the branch, clinging for dear life, was Tiny Tim, a little turtle who had been napping in the sun. The current was fast, and the branch was speeding down the river, carrying Tiny Tim toward the dangerous waterfall. "Oh no!" gasped Ella. "We have to save him." She looked around, but the bigger elephants were too far away to hear, and the other animals didn't know how to swim against the strong current. Ella knew she had to act fast. With her heart pounding, Ella jumped into the river. She wasn't the strongest swimmer, but she flapped her big ears and paddled.